Alright, so look bro, today's video is a big video for me. That's probably why I'm in front of a camera in the first place. So y'all know how hard it is to find an Xbox Series X. Like I've been looking everywhere, I couldn't find them nowhere, but recently my target has been clutch because I've been finding PS5s, Xbox Series X's, all this just like without issue. But I finally got one, man. I finally got an Xbox Series X and I got a PS5, but I just didn't unbox it on camera. But not only was I able to get this a couple of days ago, check this out. I also got the fridge, y'all. I got the fridge from Target. That's gonna be a separate video, but today I wanna go ahead and finally unbox the Xbox Series X. So especially recently, I've been big into gaming, and this is the first year where I've been able to actually have all the latest gen consoles, like even during these times where we can't even find no consoles. But there's something about my Target where like, this is like the only Target in America or the world it seems like where you can actually find an Xbox or PS5 without that much issue when you walk in. So how it works over here is if they don't have a console now, they're probably gonna have one soon. And all you gotta do is just go back to the store and then they'll probably have one for you to buy. So that's how I was able to get the PS5 recently. I got that in the last month, and now I got the Xbox Series X, and then I even got the Nintendo Switch, but that was from Walmart because you can find that easy. So I got the Switch OLED, I got the Xbox Series X now, and I got the PS5, so that's all the latest gen consoles, and that's all the configurations that I want. So you know how with the PS5, they got the one without the disc, and then they got the one with the disc. Like I always wanted the one with the disc, and then I was able to get that. So now we're gonna go ahead and finally unbox the Xbox Series X, and shout out to my boy Lover Tech for actually encouraging me to do this video when we was talking at CES. Because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing this video right now, which is kind of strange because I am the YouTuber, but I just figured it was too late and nobody would want to see this unboxing no more. So let's finally see what's up with this Xbox Series X. And this box is actually pretty heavy, but it's crazy that I'm just now getting the Xbox Series X. Like this thing came out in 2020 and it's 2022. 2022 is finally the year that I get it. It's been so hard to find that it took me 2 years, well not technically 2 full years, but still it took me this long to finally get an Xbox Series X, and that's just crazy to me. I never had this much difficulty getting a console, but now here we are finally. Anyway, we got the Xbox logo up here, we got the actual Xbox here with the green accent at the top, we got Series X, we got 4K with 120 FPS in here, and then we got a terabyte SSD. So they do have an expansion slot in here if you want to go and upgrade your storage though. At the bottom though, we don't really got nothing here except for some pull tabs, so we can go and get this thing open. At the top we got the Xbox logo with the actual Xbox, and then we got a controller. On the left side we don't got that much important info here except for the Xbox and all that. On the right side we got all our specs here, so we got 4K gaming that up to 120 FPS, which is crazy. We got up to 8K high dynamic range. We got a 1 terabyte solid state drive, which I already told you all about. We got a variable refresh rate, and then we got a 4K Blu-ray player, which is pretty much standard with all the Xboxes these days. Alright, I just want to go ahead and get this thing open already. Let's go ahead and do that then. So let's go ahead and peel these easy pull tabs, which should have been easy, but they don't seem very easy. Alright, let's go and get this thing open because I heard the unboxing experience is dope on the Series X. So let's go and see for ourselves. Here we go. Power your dreams, and then we got the Xbox here in the front. Alright, so far this is a lot better than the PS5, because with the PS5 I feel like they just threw everything together real quick and they didn't really think about it. But yeah, I can see with this, man. So it seemed like Xbox really put some thought and they like put some time and you know, they actually tried with the unboxing experience. These consoles are still expensive. They're $500, so it's nice to see an unboxing experience that kind of matches with that price tag. So we got the controller over here, and then we got a legendary AA batteries here by Duracell. So I don't really use AA batteries in my controller no more. I got the battery pack, so I'm gonna just go ahead and throw it into this. But it's a nice controller to go ahead and match up with our console. Alright, so what else we got up in here? We got our power cable, as you can see here, so just throwing that to the side real quick. We got our ultra high speed HDMI cable here for our Xbox, so we're gonna need that. And then we got our product and regulatory guide, so you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side. And then we got this card here to go ahead and get started, so you can go and do it through the app or whatever you want to do, which is dope. And that was pretty much everything inside the box. So yeah, I'm really feeling that unboxing experience, so good stuff, Microsoft. So we got Power Your Dreams over here just stuck on this Xbox Series X, so let's go ahead and take this off real quick, and let's go ahead and get our Xbox Series X up out of here. So we got this piece of tape here at the top. Now let's go ahead and just peel this off. Oh snap, yes sir, look at the Xbox Series X looking clean, man. Oh man, I'm actually pretty hyped for this. I'm more hyped for this than I thought I would be. So let's go ahead and get this out of here real quick. Woo, woo. Yes sir, I've been waiting for this. Finally y'all, after all this time, I finally got an Xbox Series X. So I'm coming from the One S right now. This is gonna be a big upgrade. I even noticed with my Xbox One S that it's starting to slow down on me a little bit. Like even opening things like YouTube and obviously Forza, but still. So this is the back of the Series X here. As you can see, we got all the ports here. So we got our 2 super speed USB-A ports, we got our Ethernet, and then we got our power. We got a storage expansion I was telling you about. So you can basically just go ahead and get a card from any manufacturer, and then you can just upgrade the storage on your Xbox. And then we got an HDMI out. So no longer do they got an HDMI in, which is what I'm gonna miss from my Xbox One S because I don't got that many ports on my TV. And then we don't even have an IR blaster to go ahead and control our TV anymore. So they're just removing a lot of this with the Xbox Series X. But anyway, we got an Xbox button here at the top, we got a disk drive, and then we got a reject button, we got a sync button, and then we got a USB port here in the front. At the top, you just got that Xbox design here, which is looking clean, man. I'm really feeling that. Now, when I first saw this, I thought this was gonna glow up, but this is cool too. And then at the bottom, we just got Xbox Hello from Seattle. So at this point, all I want to do is just go ahead and get this thing set up. So I'm gonna go and plug this into my 4K TV, and then we'll see what's up with that. Let's go! Now I'm really hyped now that I see this Xbox logo and I heard the sound and everything. This is gonna be dope. It literally had me jumping back here. I was like all excited and everything. I was like, yeah, let's go! So always take advantage of the app setup. So all you gotta do is just go ahead and go into the app, and there should be an option here right at the top to go ahead and set up your Xbox. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. So I'm gonna set this up and I'll get back to y'all. So this Xbox is actually updating right now. I don't want to go ahead and fast forward to this. I'll just go and skip to this and I'll get back to y'all when it's done. All right, y'all. Xbox all set up. Let's go, man. I can't wait. All right, so, oh snap, look at that background. That's not bad. I actually liked it. All right, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna go get up out of here, play with this Xbox some more. And one thing I got to say about this Xbox, it's quiet, man. I can't hear nothing from it. I can clearly see the fan spinning on the Xbox, but I can't hear the Xbox itself, which is good. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at ESetTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And let me know what y'all think about the Series X and were y'all lucky enough to actually get one in the first place. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.